This is hot water that you will be needing to make the boba. Hello, and we'll be making this instant bubble tea kit, and the flavor is brown sugar. What we will be using and what comes in this pack first is 3 straws, 3 bubble packets, and the powder and the boba. Here it is. This is the boba. This is the milk powder. And this are the straws. We will be using Oreos, 2 cups, a measuring cup, and this homemade brown sugar I made. Yeah, let's get started. First, to make this, we would need the milk tea powder, and we would need approximately 150 milliliters or 5 fluid ounces of hot water. So here we have this, and we have our hot water. And we need about 150 milliliters. And we have about that. First cup. Then we have our second cup. Wait, let me check this again. That's about it for each cup. Then we need the instant boba powder. Smells pretty good. Smells really good. Now we need our second packet. And this is what we have right now. And while we let that cool, we will now move to our boba. And our first step to make this boba is to open the pack of tapioca pearls and add it into a cup. Heat up the bubble tea for 45 seconds at 750 in the microwave. So we will come back to this. This is the tapioca sauce. Now we will assemble the boba. First, we will start with our tapioca pearls. First, we add the syrup. Like that. Add some to there. And then we'll add our own tapioca. When we have that, get your ice. Unless you don't want iced boba, you can skip this process. This won't come out. So now we will add. Oh, I accidentally spilled some. Our tea, like that, and we will add some milk. There we have our boba iced tea. And now we will add some crushed Oreos. But before we add the crushed Oreos, to the other cup, we will be adding the same ice, but instead the ice will be Halloween inspired with worms. So we have the worms ice here. And now we're just redoing the same steps. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the boba. Tastes good. Now we have the little worms. We're gonna add where'd my worm go? My worm fell on the floor. So now we have this. We'll be adding our drink in. And with that in, we will also be adding the milk. Now we have that, and to end things up, we will be adding some crushed Oreos on top. Very good. For this, we need to take the cream out, so Now we will add it on top of it. Just like that. And just like that, we have some nice Oreo Boba. Now we will be trying this boba.
Good.
10 out of 10, because I made it.
11. 11 out of 10.
This boba tastes fantastic, probably because I made it. I put my love and effort into this, so yeah.
Thank you for watching.